what is your name?
My name
Is.
is.
How old are you?
I am 4.
Okay, now let us have the speaking test for Phonics 1, Unit 2. Now let's have the alphabet. Letter,
I
sounds,
S
letter,
B
sounds,
B
letter,
T
sounds,
K
letter,
T
sounds,
D
yes, letter,
E
sounds,
F
letter,
F
F,
F
sounds. Okay, very good. Let's have numbers. Number,
1 2 3 4 5
very good. Let's have colors. What color is it?
red
What color is it?
green.
Very good. Let's have feelings. How are you?
I am happy.
How are you?
I am sad.
Okay, very good. Let's have Unit 2. Letter,
T
sounds,
D
yes. What is it?
dog
What is it?
dog
What is it?
Z
What is it?
down
What is it?
down
Yes, very good. Letter,
T
letter,
E
sounds.
F
What is it?
Air
What is it?
elbow
What is it?
everything
What is it?
elephant
Letter,
F
sounds. What is it?
fish
What is it?
five
What is it?
four
What is it?
four.
Okay. Very good thing. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.